Getting in some breaking news now of the latest on Parambir Singh in the extortion racket. The Maharashtra government has initiated the process of suspending the disgraced, tainted former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh and another police officer after they were named as accused in extortion cases. This has been confirmed now that Parambir Singh will be suspended from service. He's an IPS officer, a disgraced one at that, named in several cases, and Parambir Singh will be suspended. The process has begun. The department is considering the suspension of Parambir Singh and a Deputy Commissioner of Police rank officer who's named in these cases, but not others, is what we are hearing as per reports. Let me go across to Shravan and Yesha Alisha, who will be joining us on the story, but these are the latest pictures, the details that we're picking up. Parambir Singh also faces the tag of being an absconder. Priyanka joining us on the phone line. Priyanka, he could be suspended from service. It was about time.
Well, yes, a massive development, Niranjan, in this entire Parambir Singh extortion cases. Now that the Maharashtra government has already initiated the process to suspend the former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh and also another police officer that is being named in this entire extortion racket, that they are accused of this extortion cases, and the officials have stated that they have already initiated the process for suspending the former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh. They have already stated that, in fact, Parambir Singh and the Deputy Commissioner of Police officer will be suspended as well. We are being told that the extortion racket is being investigated even further by parallel agencies. Niranjan, we have seen this from the very beginning, not just the Mumbai police, but also the investigation that is being carried out by several agencies, including that of the Enforcement Directorate, who already has the former Home Minister of Maharashtra government, Anil Deshmukh, in their custody. In fact, we are also told that perhaps in a day as well, Anil Deshmukh and Sachin Waze might be interrogated jointly to confront them with each other with the pieces of evidences that they have gathered with respect to this entire investigation.
Okay, I have a poor audio line with you there, but he faces an absconder tag. Red corner notice will likely be issued against him soon because the state government is likely to move the centre and the requisite agencies. They will begin the process to do that. Disgraced once the most powerful officer, more powerful than the DGP in the state. That was Parambir Singh for you. Parambir Singh faces suspension over extortion cases. Atul Bhatkalkar joining us on the phone line. Atul Bhatkalkar, nobody knows where he is. Nobody knows where he is. Likely to be suspended from service. What's going on? No suspension. I mean, nobody can find him, but they're doing everything else. Very easy, isn't it?
Yeah. First of all, the comment regarding the action of state government to start his procedure for his suspension. It is too late, too little. From the day one, I was demanding that his suspension recommendation should be given to the central government, but forget suspension recommendation. This chief minister, after Parambir Singh made allegation against the serving home minister, this chief minister allowed him to take charge as a Home Guard DG. And till today, he is functioning as a Home Guard DG. And now nobody knows where he is. Whether he is in the Maharashtra, whether he is in India or out of India. This is the not only gross failure of the chief minister and Mahavasuli Sarkar, but I again repeat this allegation that from the day one, Chief Minister of the state and Parambir Singh, both were hand in gloves with each other. And that's why Chief Minister never recommended his suspension to the central government.
Okay, I have Atul Bhatkalkar stay with me because I also have NCP spokesperson Brijmohan Srivastav. Now, I want you to ask him the question because I too will, and you can respond to him. Brijmohan Srivastav, you're calling him an absconder. You want a red corner notice against him. You're not going to suspend him from service finally. after over 6 months of this drama playing out. You're doing everything that's possible except find him. How can the Mumbai police and everyone else, the state government, how can you not find him? How can nobody find him? The centre included Atul Bhatkalkar. If he has left the country, you will also be responsible. The centre will also have to ask some uncomfortable questions. But Brijmohan Srivastav, how is it that nobody knows where he is?
Just I was listening Atul Bhai. he was telling so many things. First, I want to clear that our chief minister and Ranveer Singh is not hand gloves with at any point. Second thing is this: there is a procedure to act against any central government is defined in the service book. I think Atul Bhai doesn't know it. I am sorry for it, but the government has taken every step as per the law. And he is a designated IPS officer of the country. So within a second or within a minute or within a day, no action can be taken. There is a procedure laid down in the service book. So the government has done as per the law. It's correct that he is not available to the commission. He is not available to the police. Our police has raided each and every place where he can found. But unfortunately, he is not available on their addresses. Second thing, he was handed over to the NIA. NIA is governed by the government of India, and the Honorable Home Minister is the head of this NIA. It is very surprise to us that where he has gone, if NIA doesn't know, then how the state government can get the information. So Atul Bhai has to ask, better to ask Amit Shah ji, where Paramveer has gone. And the third thing which I want to explain, he is a close relative of a very, very strong BJP leader. He is a somebody of a BJP leader. So I think it is better Atul Bhai if asked to his BJP leader, he may tell him where is Mr. Paramveer Singh ji. And fourth thing is this, that nobody is above the law. He may be a Paramveer Singh ji, either he is our ex-Home Minister Anil Deshmukh ji. Everybody is under the law.
You're making a very serious allegation. You're making a very serious allegation. Which leader is he close to, sir? Why don't you be direct? You're saying he's close to a BJP leader. Which BJP leader is he close to? Is that true, Atul Bhatkalkar? Is Paramveer Singh close to a BJP leader? Which BJP leader? Is the BJP leader family, relative, / friend, acquaintance?
First of all,
Amit Shah Sahab,
who made Paramveer Singh DG Anti-Corruption Bureau? This government. After he had given clean sheet to Ajit Pawar in all irrigation scam, he became CP of Mumbai. From the day one on Republic, I am demanding that when he made allegation against that time serving HM, why Chief Minister has not asked him to resign? Even Chief Minister has not reviewed him from his post.
Mafia was doing in
His post, DG Homeguard. Why? Because there is a pact between Paramveer Singh. Forget all these things. Till today, why state government has not asked CBI to issue raid corner notice?
Everybody knows now.
Why state government has not asked the central government to issue the raid corner notice?
Please tell to the
I am
country what
raising categorical question. Answer categorically.
You tell us.
I have asked you three categorical questions. Why till today Paramveer Singh suspension was not recommended by state government? Number one.
When you doesn't know the
Why you are not?
It's very convenient. It's very convenient, Mr. Bhatkalkar. You know, it's very convenient for both you and Brijmohan Srivastav to keep complaining about what the other hasn't done. But the truth is, both of you have used Paramveer Singh at some point. Okay, that's a fact. You know it, Atul Bhatkalkar. Brijmohan Srivastav also knows it very well, because Brijmohan Srivastav, your government has used him very successfully, right? You used him very successfully to try and target Republic TV in the Sushant Singh Rajput case and every other case to try and, you didn't do anything back then. And now you're calling him corrupt. So convenient, isn't it? Brijmohan Srivastav?
He has taken that, Paramveer Singh has taken that decision. Our government was not involved with that. You know, the state government is having 35 police commissioners in the state. So every case is not dealt by the state government. Mind it. He was the Paramveer Singh who has taken that decision.
Sir,
And
but
then
they were
this
celebrating,
decision
sir. What are you
came
saying,
in
Mr. Srivastav? You know, with all due respect to you, everybody was celebrating when Paramveer Singh was going around, you know, doing all these cases in which, you know, all these cases, by the way, just for your information, FYI, all these cases which are now under scanner were the cases in which he was being celebrated. You know, people used to tweet about him, leaders from the MVA government. I'll leave it at that. Let's see where the story goes. Paramveer Singh could be suspended. That's the breaking news update on Republic TV. We'll take a short break and come back. What a fall for him. An IPS officer on the run, serving IPS officer.